Hey guys, just wanted to show you how easy it is to put on one of my units, my glueless units. This one is 26-inch Brazilian deep wave. So I have a 5x5 closure on there. It's transparent. Transparent closure, depending on your skin type, you will have to customize it by tinting the lace a little bit. So I tinted the lace a little bit. I created the baby hairs, and the hairline is plucked. So this is what it looks like just by me putting it on. And then you see I'm defining my baby hairs a little bit more. And this is the wig in its natural state, no product or anything on there. Here I have a little bit of product on it, and then I have more. So you can see the difference in the volume. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.